Hi, today we are going to see how we use the Vega tool or how we use the Vega applications. First, click on Vega. Now, here you can see the 5 different applications, Explorer, Experimentations. Now, click on Explorer. After clicking Explorer, you will get one GUI which contained different tabs where preprocessor, classify, cluster, associate, select attribute, visualization. These are the different classification or different tags. After that, in next row, where we have open file, open URL, and generate. So now, first to run this Vega tool or to run the dataset, first we need to export that dataset in our applications. That is called as a Vega Explorer. What step we have performed? First, click on Explorer, then click on Open File. That file is that file saved in our Vega database is stored in C drive. First, to export that dataset, click on Open File. Now, here you can first choose the locations of that particular drive, C drive. The files or dataset containing program files. Click on Program Files, where you can see the Vega 394. Click on Vega 394. After that, click on Data, where we get the datasets need to process. Now, these are the different types of default dataset. If you want to process the dataset, click on any particular dataset which you want to process it. Now, we are going to choose any particular database. Click on Weather Datasets. That weather dataset contains the different types of attribute. It shows the class. You can take the different types of classifications what you want: outlook, temperature, humidity, white, play. According to your requirement, you can choose what class you require. Now, select attribute. What attribute you want to? So, how many attribute it has: sunny, overcast, and rainy. These are the different types of attribute. Now, again, here we have most important attribute: outlook, temperature, humidity, widely, and play. So it shows the classifications. If you want to choose the any particular class, you will get that class from by clicking on class. Now, if you want to show the outlook, so it show for outlook. It shows the visualizations. It shows the graphical representations or visualized window for the given attributes. Now, if you want to choose the temperature, it shows the temperature representations. If you click on the humidity, it shows the humidity representations. Now, what types of attribute you are going to choose, it will depend on you which attribute you require to process. Here we have click all attributes. Now, if you want to play only or if you want to click on play attributes, it shows the play representations. So these are the representations of Vega tool. That Vega tool contains the different types of tab which contain the classifications, cluster, associate, select attribute, visualizations. By clicking on the visualizations, you can draw the tree, visualize tree. Classifications, you can choose the any particular class, which class you require. It shows the all representative clusters. You can choose the different types of cluster. Then you can click on start. If you want to associate contain the a priori algorithm. Choose the a priori algorithm. Select attribute. What types of attribute you want to choose it. Select the visualized tree. It shows the visualizations of your attributes: outlook attributes, temperature attribute, humidity attribute, widely attribute, and play attributes. Now, in this way, we have completed representations or actual content of or how we choose the dataset from our drive to run that particular dataset. Thank you.